Like, how do these fools know everybody out here?
Nah, we don't know everybody. That'd probably be the same
They're
case.
just so
to be
rare,
honest,
though.
like,
Think about it.
I know, but everything's just lining up. The stars are aligning, bro.
For real.
The stars are aligning.
Someone said do a heavy metal freestyle.
Sabihin mo salamat, Shopee. How you doing, mate? We doing good over here. 56 in the people. Fangidi. Freestyle. Everybody keep asking me freestyle.
Someone asked you to do a metal freestyle.
Oh yeah, one of my friends online,
Hey,
like she
Keiko,
already
hold
knew
my
you
shirt
before
down.
I told her about you.
Shirt down.
See what?
One of my online friends,
Hey,
like
thank
I
you.
told her about him, and then she's like, "Wait, I already have him in my search history," and I'm like, "Wait, what?"
For real?
Yeah, it was so weird. Like she already knew him before I told her.
Ay, God.
Actually, no.
Kailangan lang tanggalin mo yung
My son.
yung long sleeve. Yun yung gagamiting face mask. Face mask ni Angie. So nasa 7-Eleven kami. Hey, me? 7-Eleven. Raining sorrow. Umuulan na kalungkutan. Hey, I got it. Hey, little kid, say to Ezekiel do a heavy metal freestyle. Keiko, they're telling you to tell me to do a death metal freestyle. I just did. My shirt is so cute. I know, right? Hey, I actually got this as a present from T-Ness. Shout out K and XN, man. That's connection. Y'all better stream the next reaction they did. They did a reaction to my IDK song, man. Yeah. K and XN did a next reaction.
Keep the money, bro.
Shout out Idol. He's Gio Gonzalez. Karupropam ni Jester Beat. Gag. Nah, bro. I'm prettier than Justin Bieber. What?
What do you want?
I want a water bottle.
What do I want? Oh shit.
No, get us individually a water bottle because it's gonna like go out in like a. It's gonna go out like a can.
Shit, give me a Magnum ice cream. If it can fit, I don't know how much is in.
Alright, okay, if anything, I'll get it.
Cause I don't know how much is in my, like, for real. But if it's,
What the hell? What'd you spend all your money on?
I mean, actually just get whatever you're getting with that much.
I'm gonna just get a drink, bro.
Apay ada ka
Get
pala.
2 waters, a
Tarwa.
Magnum, and whatever you want.
Tarwa?
Water. I need water, bro.
Dito'y kami ruwara.
Kailangan yung tubig.
Lalakad lang kami. Awan tayo maarami, jay balay mi. Parte ayan mo Vegas, boss. Yeah, we're at Vegas right now. But we're just in the burbs, you know, in the suburbs. Just chilling out here, being all cool.
Are you enjoying the better camera quality?
What the fuck are you
I'm kidding.
talking about? I mean, I would say like the proportions and everything change because of the. Well, that's basically how the Samsung is like that. Oh yeah. Kung nakita niyo yung music video sa Freeze, di ba nakita niyo yung perang pinapanood ko si 6ix9ine dun sa ano parang tawag dun, sa sala.
She was a goon.
She was the one who was wearing the goon mask. Siya yung nakaupo dun tapos yung nakatitig dun sa TV. Siya yung nakatitig kay 6ix9ine. So what do you gotta say about having to watch 6ix9ine for so many tries on filming?
It was scarring, wasn't it?
I was traumatized.
That's crazy. But yeah, man. Hey, there he is. He actually got some.
Thank you.
What you got, Auntie? What you got for him?
All I had is drinks, bro, because I didn't want to spend all the money.
I know water for it. That's whatever.
You guys are gonna share this.
I told you, go out like a damn candle.
Have faith.
Oh yeah, I cursed in a live. Ha ha, funny.
Hey. Hey, little kid, can you shout me out? Keiko.
Keiko, you're famous.
Just say his name.
Carnival?
What was his name?
JD. Read it properly. JD.
JD dot Carnival?
Canaveral. Say it.
Canaveral.
Carnival.
Yeah, of course you'd say it that way.
Yeah, it's because she can understand.
Damn, this is nice.
It's
Bro, it's so
nice.
funny how chill they are.
Yeah.
Like, it's just, I don't know, bro. We barely met them just a little bit and they're already like,
That's true. That's true.
best friends.
Be careful.
Rest
Keiko.
in peace, my teeth.
All right, we're gonna have to head home.
Let's go.
All right, come on.
I have to give you the water.
What's up? Your music banging, bro. No cap. Of course it's banging, bro. That's me, bro. You know, I put my all into my shit. I'm not gonna lie. Not everyone puts their all into this shit, man. They just be like, yo, I wanna just make this song cause I'm just, you know, I just wanna make something. But me, like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. My mom's still working. I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to have her, like, retire. She's a frontliner. That's crazy. Shout out. What's up, Anna? But yeah. What? Thanks. Press it. Take care always, bro. You guys too, man. Ingat kayo lang lagi. Mas lalo na dyan sa Pinas. Mas stricto pa yung mga
But
batas na dyan para sa COVID. Eh.
Yeah, try freestyling in Japanese.
Freestyling in Japanese? Nani ka ore no namae wa EZkill. Mira. Kira wa.
You know what mira
I
means in
could-
Spanish?
Huh?
Look.
Really?
Yeah.
Mirai in Japanese is future.
Mirai. Sono te wa nani kora ore no namae wa EZkill. Nani desu ka?
Is dream.
Sono da bazamaru zippudu.
Did you know if you count in Japanese, it
Ore
basically all
daisuke
just rhymes?
taku. Ore daisuki taku. These
These
fans are crying. These dancer lines. Can you add word charot in one of your music? I might, bro. The word charot in the Philippines is like a suffix for people who say they're joking. Parang kung bagay, may tinakwento ko sa'yo. Yung pangit mo, charot. Parang bakla, diba?
People say that to me seriously.
Shout out.
Keiko!
Come on.
Is it like saying,
Yeah. That's kind of like
Joke.
it, but it's mostly like a thing. It started out with just girls and some gays, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys.
so is it just saying, I'm just kidding, girl?
Yeah, just kidding, girl. Like, joking, babe. I'm just joking, babe.
Joke lang, baby.
Hey, girl, your shoes looking kind of weird today. I'm just kidding, babe. You know, you cute all the time.
Cute or whatever.
But the thing is that
Wait.
that's like
Marin, chinelas mo parang kakaiba ngayon na. Hindi, sarap. Joke lang. Di ba ganun? Shout out my name. Leona! Hey, what's up, GU? With the heart eyes emoji. We're just walking in the streets of the suburbs of Las Vegas, Nevada. Foreigner. Hey, bro, what?
For long hair,
Time for long hair? Is that the time for it, bro?
they never witnessed that before.
Tinanggal ni Angie ang aking tali sa buhok. Ngayon, you guys are getting this version of me.
Sure.
I don't know if I should make it like a something in the future in terms of me just having long hair out. Oh.
like one character from this anime I watched. You haven't watched.
Are we gonna
it,
get
but
the
you
ball?
need to because you look so much like it.
Or-
Yeah.
Wait, why do you really want the ball? It's just a softball.
Cause it's just cool to have a ball, man. I'm gonna clean that. Kyoko loves balls.
That sounds so wrong.
That sounded so wrong. Fun GT underscore. I shouted you out so much, baby. Man. Kita niyo ito, ang ganda.
Easy, hold the goddamn bottle.
I'm gonna hold the ball.
I look weird.
Halos walang laman yung mga kalsada. Ay, gago. Hindi ka na ako mauntog dun. Tok, tok, tok.
What's wrong with one?
Hey, what's up?
in the wind, chilling in the breeze. Y'all better go run up the video, niggas call it freeze. That shit was so fire, that shit was so inspired. I think it's kinda crazy how this people is a child, like whoa.
Sayang. A crispy archives. Diamond doses. Do you read manga? I wouldn't say I do.
I do.
Raining Sorrow does though.
What's your favorite manga? Because like
I mean-
my favorite manga, you know, it probably got to be Toilet Bound Hanako-kun.
Toilet Bound Hanako-kun.
Toilet Bound Hanako-kun.
Toilet Bound Hanako-kun. Wala akong alam dyan. Pero thank you for the information. Now it is out in the world. My fans know it now.